If snow season turns your driveway into a workout, an ATV plow can be the quickest way to get your time back if you buy the right setup. The wrong plow can sit too low, lift too weak, or twist when you hit packed snow. The right one feels like it belongs on your machine, clears clean, and doesn't make you dread the next storm. I'm going to break down 6 ATV snow plows that stand out based on owner reports, reviewer feedback, and how the systems are built, so you can buy once. Product links are in the description below. Before we jump into the list, here's the quick way I'd help a friend choose. Start with blade width. If your ATV is smaller, or you've got tight turns and narrow paths, a 48-inch blade is easier to control and less likely to bog you down. For most midsize and full-size ATVs, 54 to 60 inches is the everyday sweet spot because you clear more per pass without overloading the front end. Next, think about where the plow mounts. Mid-mount systems usually give better leverage and better ground clearance when the blade is raised. Universal mounts can be convenient, but always double-check fitment for your exact ATV model. Now look at the parts that take abuse. A replaceable or reversible wear bar, adjustable skid shoes, huge if you plow gravel, and some kind of trip protection. Trip springs or a trip edge can save you when the blade catches a curb, a crack, or that frozen chunk you didn't see. Finally, be honest about your lift method. Most ATV plows use a winch to raise and lower, which works great, but make sure your winch routing is clean and your fair lead is lined up, or you'll chew cable. All right, let's get into the 6. Number 6. Black Boar, Camco, 48 ATV Snow Plow Kit. If you want a straightforward plow for a smaller driveway, Black Boar is a common starting point. It's a 48-inch straight blade that can angle left or right, and it's designed to lift with your ATV winch. What makes it a solid number 6 pick is how simple it keeps things. You're not paying for fancy extras, but you still get safety trip springs to help protect the ATV and the plow if you clip something solid. The maker lists the 48-inch blade and the adjustable angle setup, so you know what you're getting. Where it shines is light to medium snow on pavement. The 48-inch width is easier on smaller ATVs, and it's easier to maneuver between cars or around tight corners. Just keep your expectations realistic. With smaller blades, you may do an extra pass or two on a wide driveway, and you'll want to keep your speed down so the plow doesn't ride up on heavy, wet snow. Who should buy it? Someone who plows occasionally, wants a basic known brand, and cares more about simplicity than maximum clearing speed. Who should skip it? Anyone with long, heavy pushes or a big driveway where 60 inches would save real time. Number 5. Denali, MotoAlliance, Universal ATV Snow Plow. Kit Denali earns a spot because it's built around the idea that you shouldn't need a perfectly matched machine-specific kit to start plowing. The universal mount style is helpful if you're switching ATVs, buying used, or you just want a kit that covers a wide range of machines. Product listings for the Denali Universal Kit highlight a full bundle, blade, wear bar, push tubes, a universal mount, and adjustable skid feet, with an 11-gauge steel blade. That matters because 11-gauge is a solid thickness class for an ATV plow, and the included skid feet help you set the height so you're not digging into asphalt or grabbing rocks. The best owner feedback I see on universal kits is usually about convenience. Once it's dialed in, it's easy to keep it moving from machine to machine. The biggest downside is also the universal part. Fitment can be close enough instead of perfect, so you may spend more time getting the mount positioned just right. Who should buy it? Someone who wants a complete kit, likes the idea of moving it to a new ATV later, and is okay doing careful setup. Who should skip it? Riders who demand the cleanest, most tucked-in mount possible. If you keep it stored out of the weather, it holds up nicer. Number 4. Kolpin Switchblade TM ATV Snow Plow System, 48/60 adjustable. Kolpin's Switchblade is for the person who wants one plow that can adapt. The big hook is that the blade can be set up as a 48-inch or 60-inch system. That's not just a gimmick. Kolpin even publishes the cutting widths when the blade is fully angled, because angling always reduces how much you clear. They list 43.5 inches and 54.3 inches of cutting width at maximum angle for the 48 and 60 setups. In real life, that means you can run it narrow for tight spots, then go wider when you're doing open driveway passes. It's also a nice pick if you're not sure what width you'll prefer long-term. Another plus, plow-in-a-box style systems tend to feel less pieced together, which is good if you hate chasing parts. The trade-off is that adjustable systems can have more joints and hardware, so you'll want to keep bolts snug and check alignment once in a while, especially after you hit heavy, crusty snow. Nothing crazy, just basic ownership. Who should buy it? Homeowners who want flexibility, especially if they plow both tight areas and wide driveway lanes. Who should skip it? Anyone who wants the simplest, least adjustable setup possible. Number 3. Kimpex Click and Go To ATV Plow Kit. Fast attach, easy day-to-day use. Kimpex Click and Go To kits are popular because they focus on ease of use. If you're the kind of person who only wants the plow on the ATV during storms and off the rest of the time, this style can be a big quality-of-life upgrade. Kimpex lists Gen 2 ATV plow kits in sizes like 60 inches wide by 17 inches high, and the Click and Go To system is known for its pedal-style latch and quick on-off approach. Another reason people like this platform is lift behavior. Kimpex mentions a double pivot point concept that improves lift height compared with earlier designs, which helps reduce the plow dragging feeling when you're crossing a curb cut or rolling back into a garage. If you go with a Kimpex kit, pay attention to which blade material you choose and how you store it. Some versions are built to resist corrosion and cosmetic damage better than bare steel, which is nice if you don't baby your gear. Who should buy it? Anyone who values quick, attach more or detach, and wants a setup that feels friendly to use. Who should skip it? Riders who never remove the plow and only care about the lowest possible cost. Number 2. Warn ProVantage Snow Plow System. Stable, high clearance, made for regular plowing. Warn is a go-to name in off-road accessories, and the ProVantage 2 plow system is built around stability and clean mounting. Warn calls out a center mount design that adds rigidity and extra stability during plowing, plus high ground clearance and quick install or removal. That center mount stability thing is not marketing fluff. When you angle a blade and start pushing, the load tries to twist the whole setup. A system that stays tight and tracks straight feels way better, especially in heavy snow. Reviewers also like that the mount keeps the blade tucked in, which can make steering feel less heavy. On the blade side, Warn offers multiple widths, including 60-inch options, and details like a reversible wear bar and rotating skid shoes on certain blades, which helps with wear life and scraping performance. This is the kind of system I'd point to if you plow often. Long driveway, repeated storms, and that end-of-driveway pile from the plow truck. It also plays nicely with common winch lift setups. Who should buy it? Regular plowers who want a stable, refined system with good support. Who should skip it? Anyone who only sees a few light snowfalls a year and won't use the extra capability. Number 1. KFI 60 Steel Plow Combo. Best all around for most ATV owners. KFI takes the top spot because it hits the practical middle for most people. Strong build, good sizing, and features that matter every winter. KFI lists their 60-inch straight blade as made in the USA, with an 11-gauge steel blade, adjustable skids, and the ability to angle up to 25 degrees left or right. They also list a 16-inch vertical blade face height, around 21 inches with a snow flap, which helps the blade roll snow instead of just bulldozing it. What owners tend to like about KFI combos is that the system feels dialed once it's mounted. The push tubes, mount, and blade are meant to work together. With a 60-inch width, you save real time on wide driveways, but it's still manageable for many mid-size ATVs as long as your winch is set up right and you don't ram packed berms at speed. 2 quick ownership tips. Set the skid shoes properly, especially early season, and take the first pass a touch, high if you're on gravel. That keeps you from grabbing rocks and lets a smooth base build up. Who should buy it? Most ATV owners who want one dependable setup for driveways, lanes, and repeated storms. Who should skip it? Very small ATVs where 48 inches would be a better match. Quick wrap-up so you can choose fast. If you want the simplest budget setup, Black Boar gets you in the game. If you want a complete kit with wide compatibility, Denali makes sense. Just take your time on setup. If you like flexibility, Kolpin Switchblade lets you run narrow or wide. If you care about quick on-off and day-to-day convenience, Kimpex Click and Go To is tough to beat. If you plow a lot and want stability that feels locked in, Warn is the move. And if you want the best all-around balance for most ATV owners, KFI is the safe pick. Check the product links in the description for the exact kits, blade sizes, and fitment notes. If you drop your ATV make, model, and what you're clearing, small driveway, long lane, gravel, pavement, I'll tell you which option is the cleanest match.